In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Facebook password. So if you've forgotten your Facebook password and would like to see your Facebook password, this is what you can do. I'm not going to be using the Facebook app because there's no way to show you how to see your password on Facebook. But if you have sometimes used Facebook on your mobile phone or your browser, you can still get your Facebook password if it's synchronized with your Google account. So go ahead and open settings on your phone and now scroll down till you find Google. Tap on Google and here tap manage your Google account. Now scroll till you find security. Tap on security and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you're going to see password manager. Tap on manage password and here you're going to see all the password that has been backed up to your Google account. So just search for Facebook in this section and this will bring out Facebook. Now tap on Facebook and enter your phone password. This will open to view your password. To view your Facebook password, tap on the eye icon and you will see your Facebook password. You can also copy your password here and go to Facebook and log in. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to see Facebook password, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and have the post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.